مشوار لبناء أمة ديمقراطية، دولة قائمة على احترام وحماية حريات مواطني شعب جنوب السودان، دولة قائمة على السلام والتعايش، دولة تهدف لتحقيق الرفاهية والرخاء لكل مواطني جنوب السودان عبر عمل الجاد والمثمر والذكي لخلق الثروة الوطنية كأساس لبناء حياة كريمة لكل مواطني جنوب السودان. We are very happy that today the Parliament of Southern Sudan, our representative, the representative of our people in the National Parliament of Southern Sudan, in the Interim Legislative Assembly of Southern Sudan, have approved the Constitution of the Republic of Southern Sudan. And this makes Southern Sudan now ready to proclaim and declare the independence of Southern Sudan on the 9th of July 2011. 9th of July 2011 is a day that the dream of the people of Southern Sudan will come true. Is a day that the aspiration of the people of Southern Sudan will begin to be realized. From the 9th of July 2000 Southern Sudan and all Southern Sudanese will begin a new journey in freedom to build a peaceful, free and prosperous Southern Sudan, a society that will provide not only equality to its citizens and protections of their rights, but it will be the beginning of a journey to build a life of dignity for all Southern Sudanese people, to regain their dignity, their humanity. We will join the rest of the world to make our world a better place for all our humanity. Thank you very much.